Hey everybody, today we're in a Dodge Viper. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855547. Now, before we attach the mount to the dash, we want to remind you to always attach the mount to the dash before you screw anything to the faceplate. This mount is going to attach into two different seams. The first is between these two soft body panels here, just that seam right there. And the second is between this same soft piece and the hard face next to the center screen here. First off, the mount is basically going to line up with the top of the screen here. So you want to make sure you keep about right in here clear. So we're going to go well above that, and we're going to take one of the included gap openers and insert that just to open that seam up. And then we're going to take the second one and go down here. And now we have that seam open, so we can insert this upper edge. Should go in nice and easy. And you kind of want to hold it in place with your thumb while you pull the gap openers back out. Now we have that in, we're going to take the gap openers again. The first one's going to go at this curve at the top of the screen, and then the second one right down here underneath the mount. And now we need to press the bottom lip here into that seam between the face and the soft dash panel. Once you have that in place, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. I hope this video has helped. Have a great day.